ChatGPT is an OpenAI long-form artificial intelligence program that responds to difficult questions. The fact that it can respond with human qualities amazes a lot of people, giving rise to the notion that it might one day be able to change how people interact with computers and retrieve information. A great number of people are fascinated with its ability to provide human-quality responses, which encourages the feeling that it may eventually have the power to disrupt how humans work alongside computers and change the way information is brought back. Just what is ChatGPT? Can we really grow our business and manage our personal finances with the help of this crazy artificial intelligence program? In today's video is a beginner's guide to making money with ChatGPT. It is absolutely insane how advanced artificial intelligence programs have become. ChatGPT can be used daily for an online business. This is what we will cover in a basic tutorial. The tutorial will show you how to use the software for free and how to make money with it. The video will cover the fundamental concepts of how the software works. Let's jump straight into the video. Alright guys, this is ChatGPT and we are not going to get into everything since it can make things complicated. But what we are going to show you are the basic ways that you can use to make money online. There are several ways to earn money using a language model like ChatGPT, including developing and selling chatbot applications that use a language model, providing language model fine-tuning services to clients, generating written content such as articles, blog posts, and product descriptions using the language model, creating and selling language-based model tools such as language translators or automated language assistants, offering language model-based virtual writing and research assistance to individuals or businesses. If you use it for a business project or to make content, you should also think about any legal and compliance issues. People can use ChatGPT's artificial intelligence software to fix code and do many other things. However, we will not be discussing that since there are heaps of examples of what it can do now. This might look confusing, but once we show you how it exactly works, you are going to be like, wow, this is amazing, and start using it for free. Go to www.openai.com and register a new account. The sign up button can be found on the right after you click ChatGPT and continue to scroll down. As you can see, we have already signed up and logged in. When you first log into your account, you will see a simple screen that does not even scroll down. Now we are going to demonstrate how it functions and how to make money with this specific software. Maybe you want some imaginative suggestions for a 10-year-old's birthday party. You can find 10 suggestions and ideas for birthday parties by typing the query into the search bar. While waiting for it to finish, we can add more terms to the search bar to expand the list. There are many things you can do with this specific software, and it has given us many party ideas. It is that easy, and we can use this if we want to. Here is a sample thread of suggestions for a 10-year-old's birthday party. First, outdoor scavenger hunt. Create a scavenger hunt that leads the children on a fun adventure through your local park or neighborhood. Second, indoor escape room. Set up an indoor escape room challenge for the children to solve. Third, science experiment party. Host a science party with fun experiments that the kids can participate in, such as making slime and launching rockets. Fourth, sports day party. Host a sports day party with different events, such as relay races, obstacle courses, and team sports. Fifth, movie night party. Rent a projector and have a movie night at your backyard or living room with a child's favorite movie. Sixth, cooking party. Teach the children how to make a fun and easy recipe, like pizza or cupcakes. 7th, craft party. Host a craft party where the children can make their own arts and crafts project to take home. 8th, game night party. Host a game night party with board games, video games, and other fun activities. 9th, zoo or aquarium party. Plan a field trip to your local zoo or aquarium for a fun and educational experience for the children. 10th, dance party. Hire a DJ or play your favorite music and have a dance party. We are going back to the beginning after we restart the thread. With the help of this software, you can start earning money online. We will give you 2 examples of how to do it because it is simple to learn. Go to Fiverr.com, and this is what you should do. Look for something on Fiverr that people will go out of their way to buy from you. We can search through hundreds of options, but here we found 2 good ones that we can use right now. We will be creating more content on this topic in the future. Follow Legend Finance for more in-depth tutorials. After looking at the product descriptions on the Fiverr website, we found that this artificial intelligence program can be used to make and sell built-in descriptions. Believe it or not, people have reviews, and they are selling these specific e-commerce store product descriptions. People go to them with the goal of having a product description written for a specific kind of product they are selling online. It is simple and easy to do. However, you might not know how to write a product description and spend time doing it. You can do it right now and sell it online with the help of this artificial intelligence chatbot. We can go back to our ChatGPT account and do a quick search, for example, for an online store's camping tent product description. There are many ways to write a product description, and we're just giving you the basics so you can try different things. A simple way of earning money online using ChatGPT is to start a service on Fiverr by selling product descriptions. The seller's dashboard shows that they have reviews, 3 orders waiting to be filled, and more importantly, their pricing. The price ranges from budget-friendly to expensive, depending on the packaging. Selling fully written articles using ChatGPT is another way to earn money online. When it comes to artificial intelligence software like ChatGPT, it is a game changer when it comes to digital accessibility, since it is free and easy to use. Because of its complexities, many people do not have access to a large amount of AI software. Do not hesitate to launch a new gig on Fiverr and sell optimized articles with SEO or search engine optimization. A vast number of people are fortunate enough to make money doing it. In less than a minute, we managed to find a number of gigs where people were selling 500-word articles for $16. We can write a 1,000-word article for $32 on Fiverr. Honestly, there are a multitude of ways when it comes to earning money with this ChatGPT. Do you want more ways of earning money online using this particular software? Follow Legend Finance to see more of our content on personal finance and budgeting tutorials. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell, and I'll see you all in the next video.